Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 215. If we start with this box here, we're just missing a 7. In this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. In this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. We look at this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing a 4 and a 7. We've got a 4 there, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 there, so 5 and 1. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 8. A 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 5. 5 here, so 2, 3. And a 2 here, so 3, 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and an 8 here. So our 8 has to be here. And then this would be 2, 9, 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. No help here. 3, 5, 6. Oh, we've got a 5 and a 6 here. So this is our 3. We can get rid of that 3. And then no help up here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 5. We've got the 5 here and a 3 here. So this is our 6. That makes this our 5, sorry. And this our 3, and that 5 makes this our 6, and this 3 makes this our 2, and this our 5 and 3. So to finish out this box, we're just missing a 4. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so 9. A 1 here, so 5 and 1. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. And for this box then, we're left with 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so it's our 2, 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.